Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe guys, because on this channel we discuss about various ways on how to make money online so that you can also do well for yourself guys. So you can literally earn online both part-time or full-time, and we have tons of videos about it on our channel, so check them out. So in today's video we're going to be discussing about this website here called Rapidworker. So what is the work of Rapidworker? You can literally do some micro jobs on Rapidworker guys, and you will earn online. So let's check out this website together. So as you can see here, simple tasks, real money. Discover micro jobs, marketplace for quick tasks and easy earnings. You see here, from data entry and survey participation to content creation and social media engagement. Rapidworker connects you with immediate earning opportunities. Boost your income with each task you complete. So that's just how it's for guys. So as you can see here, they have a lot of categories right here. So now let's check out the job available. So as you can see here, here says total jobs post over 1000 plus guys. As you can see here, completed project 600 plus, though there is over 500 plus job that's needed to be done guys. And one thing is that you see this number right here, it will keep increasing as people keep bringing their work to Rapidworker. So that's just how it works. So as you can see here, 50 plus registered freelancers, so you can also join these people to make a lot of money on Rapidworker guys. So that's just how it works. So as you can see here, it says find your next task, explore a diverse list of short-term tasks that match your skill and schedule, start earning and gaining new experience today. So as you can see here, yes, it's post your job here, connect with skilled freelancers ready to complete your tasks, set your times, post your job and achieve results. So these are for the people that want to advertise on Rapidworker, but we are not interested in this section. This is what we are interested in guys. So what you just need to do is click on find a job. So when you click on find a job guys, so guys, as you can see here, so this is the job section guys. As you can see here, create an AGZY account. I don't know what that is, but if you can do that, you can earn these things, but you are not interested on all this type of work guys. So as you can see here, 10 cents, 0.02. So all this money are too small for you, so these are not what you want to do guys. So what you just need to do is, as you can see here, job category, just filter it. So there are some things that make you a lot of money, like you see this create account. So this create an account, you always earn more by creating an account. And as you can see here, high paying jobs, so you can also choose this. So and the next thing I also want to choose is that, so you can see here, pay per lead, you can also choose these ones. So these ones will earn you a lot of money guys, and also surveys guys. So these are the things that will earn you good money on Rapidworkers guys. So that's just how it works. So if you have any more questions, just drop it in the comment section below guys, and I will gladly help you out about it. So that'll be all about Rapidworker guys. So thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time, and bye for now.